All right, y'all, look, we got to get better. Well, like we do really good when the market's going up, but when the market's going down, we all fucking go crazy, and we need to stop doing that, because when the market goes down, there's money to be made that you're leaving on the table by, having your dick in your hand, acting like, the world is falling. But in reality, it's another opportunity. So what I'm talking about when I'm saying play protective puts against your smile call positions. If you have a Coinbase call that is sitting out in December, right? And we look at the options chain and we clearly see that the IV is lowest out of the money, which is a call smile. So we would want to play calls for December. Now, since December is further out, you want to scale these positions slowly, meaning you don't blow your load when the market's green. You slowly scale as the market is red. And what I mean by playing against this, so let's say you have already bought in some Coinbase calls, like a lot of us have for this time frame. Well, if the stock's going down like it is today, that's when you go and you scan the short dated puts. And what do you fucking know? There's a put smile sitting at $78, $77. So what you can do is you can either play in the money for a safer bet, or you can play the smile on the put side for this week, which is a short dated put, which would be protecting your call position, because if you make profit, or when you make profit on this play here, you can then turn around and immediately use that profit to scale another contract into your December expiration. And that is how you cycle. When the market's red, you don't freak out and you don't sell off for a loss. You have capital reserved because you've been scaling slowly, and you use that capital to purchase protective put positions against those calls that will provide revenue to average down with moving forward. That's basically what it is. Hopefully this helps a lot of those in chat. And please utilize the search. It is the most beneficial tool we have as a group. I can come in here and do from, and then Charl, or CHAR, second option. I've sent 156,771 results. Now, a lot of those obviously aren't going to be informative, but you can break this down by date. If you want to do a specific date, like what did I miss between August 1st and August 6th, because I don't know, maybe you were on vacation or something. So if you want to do that, let's say you went on vacation from the 1st of the month through the 8th. So you'd want to do before August 8th, but then you want to do after August 1st. And then now you've just consolidated those results down to 6,000. Now if you wanted to do it even further, you could do has video, image, sound, sticker, file, embed. Let's do video. There's one explaining the smiles. There's a spreadsheet. Here's an everyone mention announcement with another video about the Ascension, about our new strategy. Here's one about a wasp that I saw on the ground outside. Here's one about basic electronics that I watched when I was going to sleep. Here's one. Here's one. I mean, there's tons of shit. 6 videos there you could get. Now you could do image. Has image. Probably a lot of pointless ones, but nonetheless, you can search for it. And you see, I post all this stuff to the Discord for a reason, so that way you can come through and look at it. You can learn shit. You know what I mean? Like the unusual options activity for today by sector. Or I'm sorry, that wasn't for today. That was between 8.1 and 8.5. You could have seen UOA options activity when you weren't even here. So all this stuff's here. You just got to find it. And as far as the market and the puts, it's just movement. That's all options is. If the market's going down, look for those put smiles, play them, quickly cycle profit in and out, and then boom, you just made revenue to average down your long positions with, and you didn't have to pay out of pocket. That's the game.